The website received less than 50,000 subscriptions. The pizza company still owes more than 30,000 in principal. The premises for Mr. Park's factory were destroyed in the fire. The exhibition will be opening ahead of schedule on the 1st of the month. The hotel will not be able to accommodate such a large contingent of delegates. Professor Clearly will act as liaison between the two companies during the negotiations. The capital costs for the new development were prohibited, so the project was cancelled. The enthusiasm of personnel working in the accounting department has fallen recently.